Welcome to Pocket Tutorials. In this lecture, I'm going to show you different websites wherein you can go ahead and download free videos. My first favorite is always pixpay.com. So you can join this website for free and you can just go ahead and download the videos from here. So what you can do is you can just click on this download video tab and you can type in any video that you want. So you have this videos over here and just go ahead and it completely says over here free download. So you can just go ahead and download these videos. The next website that I wish to share is pixels.com. So what we need to do is just go on to pixels.com video and you can come down over here. You can select any video type that you want. Say for instance this film video which I selected over here. You can just go ahead and click on this download button and it also gives you the options as well. Full HD, HD videos and SD videos, whichever video you want. The next website that I would recommend is Video. So you can just go ahead and you can join Video and download videos from this as well. Now over here it says, free videos, premium videos, editorials and everything. So what I would recommend is you just go ahead and you click on the free videos. This video over here, futuristic countdown timer, you can just click on this and you can just go ahead and download this free video. It also says it's royalty free and you can use this in all projects in media. The next website that I would recommend is Life of Bits. I have this video over here, so you can just go ahead and download this video as well. The next website that I would recommend is Dareful. I have this Christmas video over here. You can just hit this download button and you can easily download the video. I do not wish to download all the videos. I'm just showing you the websites which provide free videos. So you can easily download them. The next website that I would recommend is vidz.com. So you can just go ahead and download this video over here. All you need to do is just hit the free download button. It just tells you to wait for 5 to 3 seconds and automatically your download will begin, as you can see. The last website that I would recommend is vidsplay.com. You can see I already have selected one of the videos, okay? If you see the duration, resolution and everything, all you need to do is click on this download button and the download would automatically start. You don't need to sign up or provide registration or anything like that. All you need to do is just click on the download button. So that's all for this lecture. Thank you so much. Congratulations on completing another lecture. If you do like this course, please leave a review. Helps us to improvise the course. Thank you so much.